guys, I hope you're doing well. So I'm back with another fashion video because I feel like it's been a while. So this video is gonna be a bit particular because I'm not like, it's not a sponsor or anything. I just ordered clothes from CIDER. I don't know if you guys know this brand, but I wanted to try it out for a long time and I finally did. It's a little bit more pricier than getting clothes from YesStyle or AliExpress, obviously, but I wanted to see if the quality is better, and especially since I'm looking for more original pieces to make my own style. My style kind of evolved the last maybe 2 years, so I went from very cute kawaii pastel clothes to more simple kawaii, more inspired by K-fashion, I feel like, and cottagecore Pinterest aesthetic. I wanted to like upgrade my wardrobe because it's been a while. A few months ago I did a huge cleaning of my wardrobe, so I just tossed everything I didn't really wear anymore, even though it was something I liked previously, but now I don't wear it anymore, and I know I shouldn't be like clinging to them because it's like pointless. But yeah, so I ordered a few pieces from CIDER and I thought I would show you guys the unpacking and show you the quality, give you my opinion about it. Also, I wanted to add a little twist to this video and show you how you can like style pieces, simple pieces for like a cute kawaii, more casual kawaii aesthetic. And yeah, just show you how you can style very simple pieces to make them aesthetic and like cute. So yeah, I hope you like this kind of video. If you do, let me know because I really want to do more of this instead of just outfits that I show you, even though I like making lookbook videos, but I think this is more interesting to just teach you how to do it yourself, you know. So yeah, I got the package. I forgot to check when I ordered it, but it came pretty fast compared to some AliExpress pieces that sometimes but yeah, I got everything in one package, I think. Okay, so as you can see, they wrote something like, it's not a regular bag, I'm a 100% recycled bag. So I think it's a good thing because I was actually wondering about their ethic around environment, and I feel like, of course, it's just like as the other brands, you know, they don't particularly have something about that, but the fact that this is recycled is a good thing. It means that they are maybe a little bit into environmental concerns, I guess. So I'm just going to grab my handy dandy little cutter and we're going to go right into it. I'm always so scared to just go too deep and then like messing it, so I'm going to do like not enough. Okay, this is the first piece, so I'm actually going to go with this one first. Ooh, it's okay. I don't like a lot of plastic like this. Like, it shows the high quality that they just sell it individually, but I personally think it's unnecessary. Like, I don't care if new clothes are together, you know, it's just I don't mind. Maybe it's a problem if it's something that stains and it's like during summer and you don't want it to like stain, but I don't think that's actually a problem. I don't know, I just thought about that, but yeah, I don't think that's necessary, but oh well. So let's go with this first. This is the first item. These are high-waisted jeans. I don't have any actual jeans because I only have, wait, let me show you. I don't know if you can see, but I only have these kind of like colorful pants, but I don't have a staple like this, and I think it's super important to have at least one because you can obviously style it if you want something more out there, but at the same time, if you need something more casual, it's just perfect. You just throw a top inside, you know, like you tuck it in, and like a cute little shirt, you know, and it's just like, yeah, I think it's a staple, so I got this. I thought like maybe let's get one that is the same cut as the other ones I have, because I feel like with my body the best shape, like the best pants cuts, I guess, is the straight one. So I got this kind of large and like straight cut. I just love their little, it smells like stores, like little stores, you know, when you walk into a store, like clothing store, it smells like this. Yeah, because I noticed that because usually with AliExpress items I can smell the plastic and like it's not a good smell, even though like of course it's cheap, so obviously it's not high-end, but still, like, yeah, I'm so scared to try it on. I really wish they fit, because I don't know, I think it's actually gonna fit. Pants are like straight, like it's not straight, the cut isn't that straight, but on me I think it's gonna be like, because my hips are a bit more large, so it's gonna be very even. Actually I think they are straight. Okay, so next I think, oh yeah, this is my maybe my favorite item that I ordered, but yeah, so this is one of my favorite pieces. It's a dress and I'm just so excited to try it. I always get dresses too short for me on YesStyle and AliExpress, so let's see how this one is. So next is the dress. I think this is my favorite piece that I ordered, and especially the model. I'm going to try to insert pictures of the model, like how they styled her outfits, and I think it's just super cute. It's exactly the vibe I wanted, because I had this picture on my vision board for 2023 for like fashion ideas, and so when I'm scrolling through CIDER, I see this dress and I'm like, okay, let's just see how they style it. I wasn't really interested in it in the first place, but when I swiped to the pictures, I saw how they styled the dress, and I thought, oh my god, this is exactly the image I had. Again, I got a medium, so it's a bit wrinkled, but obviously this is the fabric, it's supposed to be like that. I'm going to iron it later, but it's really cute. The quality is very good too. Oh my god, I want to see if it's see-through, because okay, so it's not see-through here, as you can see, because there's a double stitch. Okay, then what do we have? I think this is, oh yeah, these are the pants. So I told you guys I wanted to style a bit more like with colors, and just, I don't know, I just want to be more open to other aesthetics. I got a medium size. Oh, that's so cute. I didn't see that. Let's see. Just like I told you guys, I got them because it was a cute little matcha color. I know it's not really my palette, my usual palette, but if you guys are following up on Instagram, you'll probably notice that I have been using more green in my palette, because I don't know, I feel like my aesthetic is just that, you know. Actually I got like this kind of revelation because I actually I recorded a podcast episode to teach you guys about, like, it was supposed to be my first episode, and I wanted to teach you guys like how to get to know your aesthetic, like without having to be like, okay, so this is kawaii aesthetic, I like kawaii aesthetic, and I should only be doing this in order to have the perfect kawaii aesthetic. And I wanted to teach you guys how to get like how to have an aesthetic without copying it, like having the staple, but at the same time like adding your own touch to it, so that it would be original and like your own, you know. So that's what I did. Like I applied the tips, like the advice, to myself, and I did this rebranding kind of, where I just questioned myself, like, what do I like, why do I like this kind of stuff, like scrolling through Pinterest and seeing like all the pictures that I enjoyed, and if I enjoyed a picture I was like, okay, so why do I like this picture? Is it the outfit? Is it the vibe? Is it the color? Like all that thing. And I realized that I like cute things. I like kawaii fashion, but very subtle. So yeah, anyways, let's show the pants. So again, the quality is very good. Also, something that I usually struggle with, well, I used to struggle with a lot, is the length, because I'm actually quite tall. I'm like 171 centimeters, so I have long legs. So sometimes it'll be like when I sit down, the pants just, you know, they move up and it looks like shorts. So yeah, but this looks very good. Again, it's simple, but the color is really pretty. I'm really scared, like not scared, but I don't know how I'm gonna style it because it's not what I'm usually wearing. But I'm slowly like trying to learn how to dress differently, you know, because for the little backstory that I have been telling for a long time now, I used to only follow Mikan Mandarin aesthetic, like her outfits and stuff. So I would dress just like she would dress. So I had all these rules, like you know, wear something underneath to make it like cute, like only cute skirts, things like that. So like always having a cardigan and a pleated skirt. And even though I think it's super cute, she grew out of it. So obviously I was like, oh my god, I don't have inspiration anymore, I couldn't dress anymore. And then I was like, okay, maybe it's time to learn how to dress, like probably by myself, like without having to have a template, if that makes sense. Okay, next. Oh, what's that? Oh my god, that's so cute! Oh my god, this is so cute! What the hell? This is adorable. So they added these stickers, CIDER stickers, and I love this aesthetic. Like it's a little bit more like Danish aesthetic. It's just so cute. Oh my god. Okay, then let's continue with the clothes actually. So I think this is the last piece of clothes. I'm really scared because it looks really tiny. It's supposed to be a crop top, but I'm planning on wearing this with high-waist pants, so it should be fine. But it's more for summer, and the color is actually really cute. It's like a cream. Let's see. Again, I got a medium, just in case. Even though this kind of fabric is very hard to work with, I don't think I would be able to adjust it. So if it's bigger, it's bigger, and if it's so small, well, the material is very thin, but at the same time it's very like good quality. I was scared when I first ordered that it would be kinda like AliExpress and style, like not that much of a high-end, you know, even though it's not high-end, like it's just a good quality. It doesn't look that transparent. Yeah, the quality is very good. It's a very strong material and very soft at the same time, so I think for summer this might be my go-to. Okay, I think this is the last item. Oh, I thought I ordered like more accessories, but it looks like it's the only one. So I ordered these. These are the glasses. Let's see how they look, because it's the heart-shaped, and last time I ordered heart-shaped they looked like this. Let me show you. The glasses, can we just talk about how they put an actual case for the glasses, because I also ordered heart-shaped glasses and they came, well, it was AliExpress obviously, but they came in a plastic, like nothing, no bubble wrap, like nothing. When I opened it, obviously it was broken. I'm gonna show you guys. These are the glasses I ordered from AliExpress. They look okay. I ordered them because of the shade. It was like a blue and pink, and this is a pink gold. The heart shape is okay, but it should be better, because on the pictures it looked more like hearts, you know, but this is just like a vague thingy. It looks almost like just triangles, to be honest, but it's still okay, you know. Obviously quality very bad, very like, you know, it looks like it could break any second just with a blow on it. And obviously it came, well, you're gonna see how disgusting they are, but I don't know if you can see, but it's missing a little thing, you know, for the nose. Oh my god. Okay, it's still wrapped. Let's see. Okay, but yeah, so that too is just like, why would you? Like, just a case is fine actually. It's a very cute thing. Okay, so see, that's what I'm talking about. These are so cute. See how it's different? Like, this is just, they didn't even try. And this is an actual heart shape. It's super cute. Let me just try it on right away to see how, like, comfortable they are. Ooh, they are comfortable to wear. They're not too small, the perfect size. Okay, so this is the part where I kinda teach you about how to elevate your style. So if you want to make your outfit a little bit more kawaii, cuter, with no, like, little to no effort, and without having to spend that much money, because I promise you don't have to. With this outfit I paired my off-white shirt with a little lace with my purple jeans, and I think it's a super comfy outfit to make it a little bit more on the kawaii side. Of course my bag is simple, but you can literally just strap something or like add bows. I'll make a video about how to DIY some cute clothes and accessories. Then I have my sunglasses that are heart-shaped. Of course you'll find all the links in the description. And then just adding scrunchies as accessories, I think it's super helpful. They aren't that expensive, they're cute, and if you just add them to your wrist or in your hair, it makes a difference, you know. As you can see, I only added like sunglasses, scrunchies. See how it's simple and very easy to make. Okay, next is an outfit that isn't about the colors anymore, but it's more about the layering. So as you can see, I'm wearing a tank top, a black tank top with my black skirt that has cute little details on it, and I layered it with a cardigan that I bought on AliExpress. I think I experimented with jewelry and also just tying lace. You guys, you don't have to do that much. I literally just got a piece of lace. It was like €1 and I cut it and I use it as like in my hair as hair ties, or around my wrist, around my neck as a choker. Sometimes I'll use it around, you know, little jewelry. I don't know, it's just so practical for me, and I think it adds this little coquette, cute little vibe, if you know what I mean. If you're going for K, you don't have to get the expensive pieces yet, and I obviously had to pair it with my cute little handbag. And finally, I just wanted to show you how this cute white dress fits me. It's adorable, maybe a little bit too big on the chest area, but it's adorable. I absolutely love the puffing. So as you can see, I'm just wearing the dress with my handbag and a headband. Like, it's all you need. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how simple it is to make cute outfits without having to buy expensive stuff if you're not there yet. So everybody can make a difference in their outfits. You just have to put the effort and the creativity to do so. So yeah, I really hope you liked this video, and I hope it helped a little bit. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!